What I'm doing now, people, is I'm putting across my bottom piece, then I'll put a couple of studs there so it holds all that. I'll put one down to the floor under there that holds all my, well, that holds the weight of the whole, you know, takes the weight of the whole seat. So it's yeah, cool. And that is just so grunty, blows me away. I'll now, where's my tape? Got a couple of uprights there. So what's that? 375. That's slightly different because my floor's out of level. 380. My seat is level. I don't know if you can see that. My seat's level, but the floor's not. You get that on a wooden floor. Right, 380 there, 375 there, and one at the back. 415. Where's the pad? One at 415, one at 375, one at 380. Let's go out and cut the suckers. This is my small miter saw that I use for my aluminium. I saw it for sale at the hardware store. This exact model, I think it's about $110. Far out. Have I got my $110 worth out of this sucker? Incredible. $4.15. $3.75. Just needs to be lifted up a little bit because I've got a smaller blade on it. It's one I had for another saw. Next one is 380. There's my 3 short studs. I won't be going right to the corner, but I can run my when I oh, I haven't got any power hooked up. Never mind. Yeah, so my cement sheet will come along here, it'll catch that corner, and then I'll be urethaning it or silicone up here, so it's fine. Put that one there, that one there. Oh, nice. That one there. These are just to take the weight of the seat. Just a little bit too tight, but it's all, it's better than loose. That takes the weight of the whole seat. I'll put one across here as well, and that'll carry the front. So from my longest point to my longest point, because I'm going to miter it, is 810. I'll screw those in shortly. 810.